If your vehicle will not start, there are a number of simple checks you can perform to determine the problem. Before making these checks, be sure you have sufficient fuel and that you have followed the correct starting procedure as outlined in your owner's manual. Start by checking to see if any of your other keys will start the vehicle. If your vehicle starts, you may need to replace a key. If none of the keys work, there may be a problem with the engine immobilizer. If the instrument cluster dims or the display turns off with the ignition on, check to see if the 12-volt auxiliary battery terminals are tight and clean. If the 12-volt auxiliary battery terminals are okay, the auxiliary battery is discharged and you may try jump-starting your vehicle.